Dr. C, and welcome to Calculus Made Simple. Today we're going to talk about the chain rule, and we're going to give this example. So let's get going. Hi everyone, welcome to Calculus Made Simple by Dr. C, and that's me. I have a new set of videos out to teach you the essentials of Calc 101. You will learn what to expect, how to do it, and be prepared for success in your Calc 101 class. Watch my videos. In Lesson 1, we're going to talk about limits, the practical aspect of them. We're going to talk about derivatives, and we're going to talk about integrals. Please click the like button to get more content and essential tutorials. Hi, I'm Dr. C, and welcome to Calculus Made Simple. Today we're going to talk about the chain rule in derivatives. Can you solve y is equal to f of the function u of x? Can you get dy dx? Yes, you can, but you have to use something called the chain rule. So the answer is dy dx is equal to df of u with respect to du dx. So we take the derivative of f with respect to u and then multiply it times the derivative of u with respect to x. Y is equal to square root of 1 minus x. How do you do that? Well, let f of x is equal to square root of u of x and let u of x equal 1 minus x squared. Apply the chain rule. Compute each term. df du is 1 over 2u to the 1/2 power. You can verify that. Du dx is equal to minus 2x. You can see that. Put it all together, and you got the answer. All right, everybody, thanks for watching. We presented conceptual and mathematical explanation. Simply apply the formulas with the information in the problem-solving statements to get your answers. Check out our teaching assistant problem-solving sessions. And if you'd like this content, found it useful, please click the like button and subscribe as well. And check out subsequent lessons in the links below. Thanks for watching.